Okay, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I'm sorry, my voice is not all that clear. So, but we have to do this. We really have to do this. Very, very important. So please do me a favor each time or whenever you're gonna join us. Maybe you're gonna watch it later or now. Please try your best and make sure you like the video. Comment, of course. We are going to go straight to the program because we have few things to discuss. And I would like to know how many of all that are here with us. Let me see your comments. Very, very important to me. I can see Olo State is here. So I'll be sending my greetings to you for now because let us just spend some few minutes before we start properly. Olo State said, good afternoon, my brother. Good afternoon to you. Firstborn is here. Firstborn is here. He said, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon to you all. Happy weekend and happy Easter in advance if you're a Christian or if you're Catholic rather. And God bless you mightily, Kai. Thank you so much, Olu State. I see you. And please hit like button. Hit like button, very important. So we are going to talk about a few things, like I said. But before then, we are not here to bring anybody down. I know why I keep on repeating that. Many of you are bored to hear that. You don't like to, maybe you don't feel that it's important for me to say that, but I have to keep on reminding us that we are not here to create problems. What we do here is to debunk lies and set the record straight. I came across a voice note of Iko Tuoye. Okay? Many of you know him. Some of you don't know his face. But maybe you are aware there's someone called Iko Tuoye. He wants a spanner holder here. We have Michael. Michael is with us this hour. He said, good morning, my brother. Mechuko Kika Biama, continue to bless you. He said, Jacob is here. Good afternoon, Mr. Kai. Thank you, Jacob. Nice to have you. Happy weekend to you or happy Easter in advance. Ndobisi Mazekai report greeting from homeland. Wow, I love to hear that. How are you today? How is everyone around you? I hope all is well with you. Please do me a favor, like the video so that others will get to watch the video while we are still live. And our target is, of course, we need to have at least 100 likes. We are not going to spend many hours. We are not going to spend much hour here. Maybe, never can tell, because this broadcast, we are not going to receive any call. So we are here to do the needful. This is I have not even posted anything today. I did not post it because you can see I'm having some flu and all that, so I have to just relax myself today. But I have to do this before the fundraising because in camera that actually. Always say exactly. So you know him. Thank you for that. At least you are going to hear his voice. And brother Amaji is here. Firstborn said one of the spinal holder. Yes, he was, and I decided to remove it. Proudly remove it, not because I hate him, but you cannot see somebody. You cannot call somebody a brother, a friend, and the person is seeing you coming for your head indirectly. Maybe you don't know that social media is not something that you can just ignore like that. That's why what you say on social media, what you say online is very important. You don't know who is going to watch it and when they're going to watch it. Like this video I'm making now, unless if I delete the channel or delete the video from my channel, people who downloaded it, they will still have access to it from ages to ages. If they publish that video on their own platform, that means I don't have access or control of my own video. That's how important social media is. And some people, when you like, what social is doing, I don't want to talk about how, but I just want to give this kind of explanation so that you understand where I'm coming from. It is easy to open your mouth and say something, very easy. But are you in control of that thing that you said? There will be a time when you don't have access to your own video. Now, Evans is here. Sorry, I'm reading this from phone, not even from the PC, so it's somehow tiny. Because the phone I'm using is just a very small phone, not all that big phone. Good afternoon, good afternoon, watching. Thank you. That's Evans. And Chuku Dozier is here. Kai, they want to you, my brother, and nice to have you guys. So let us start by playing this guy's audio. I have a reason why I choose to do that. Why we are here, we are going to this is not the reason why we are here. We have other things to discuss, especially from DOS, and we're gonna connect it to what is going on now. And I wanted to just publish it as a video without streaming it live, but because of I'm trying my best to relax. So I think this last one may be more easier for me to pass the message without delaying it, without waiting for maybe tomorrow or next tomorrow to do that. So here it is. Let's continue.
I want to go on a program. I want to get now one year and a day. I want to get Popo or be a for his support again. No matter no, you only grab your home is support. Or we get more damage, or we get more. Don't we get what from looking Kiribia, Bianage attitude. And have you again, Nagina, Dr. Ngosora Bese, or the government, where you got a hit, but no way you got a hit on Libya.
The voice you are hearing is equal to his voice. Anybody that knows him should call him to come and watch the video. Very, very important, because you know, some people who don't understand or who are not sensible enough, you take people's quietness and calmness for granted. That is how stupid people can be. You ignore the respect. People who want to be peaceful, calm, you take it for granted. You think that quietness and calmness simply means the person is otondo. Really? This is his message to why he's such in France. This is his message to why he's such in France. Honestly, I did not plan to play this, but while preparing to come live, I came across this audio and credit to the source. Credit to the source. Let me not say much about it. Just hold on.
I like Kuranum Kishwe Pia Kilin Tali.
Negenti.
They
are like why is this Pia or Tana? Among me, if I'm send a private message conversation between him and why is such or he called on a live program and saying this. But the truth of the matter is that everybody have right to say what they want to say. But if you're man enough, you cannot come here. You come to my platform, mass and day one, mass night organizer, GCK nam, GCK name if you name you go behind and start mocking and talking down on the person. Who does that? And you're a man. You are very the kind of life I live. No, I will be calm with you, but that doesn't mean if I have something to tell you, I will be shivering or start panicking. That is why some of you got it wrong. Let's continue.
I like Kuranum Kishwe Pia Kilin Tali. Epianaya Talija into Utrayana class again. Pia is Utali. Amam Nakilin Naga e John Asina or Maputa, Gomenaho, Utiparego Lazuria. Yes. Kelena, Honoria, hot. As well. Kelena Noria no Ineria, a bona tuto. Tiaquare 1 night work over Kai reports. Omaputo which Paricole Azuria.
Now, you know what? For the sake of people that may not understand, maybe because I have noticed that some of you just joined. And once you come in, I expect you to like the video. We have almost 50 people watching now. This is 10 minutes of the broadcast, and I want you pay attention to what we are doing here. It may help you in your normal life. The voice you are going to listen again, because I have to take it back. The voice, this voice note that we are about to listen to is from one of our brother, Iko Tuoye. Iko Tuoye is a spanner holder on my platform here. He was, because I removed it. He sent a message to why he's such in France. This message is not today. This is not just today, but for you to know, honestly, I have seen not less than 10 or 15 voice notes of this particular guy, but I intentionally ignored it. But this one hit me differently because of the way he presented his words. I don't like it at all. That's why I said some people, you see somebody that is somehow quiet and calm, you take it for granted. To you, it is stupidity. The person don't know what to say. What he said here, he said, I'm afraid of why such a. Wow. I'm afraid even to mention her name. That was then, because I don't think he would say the same thing now after watching my recent program on the why such. But for you to know the kind of people, he is here. He always come here and flash himself and go, trying to talk down on me. It's good. I'm not going to interrupt this voice message again. Let us hear him. Then if you have something to say, we'll say it. But I want to clear your ear. Understand what he's trying to do here. Listen.
I want to go on a program. I want to get now one year and a day. I want to get Paul or be a for his support again. You want to know the only young only grab your home is support. Or we get more damage, or we get more book, or we can wash it from okay, Caribbean, your attitude. And have you again, Dr. Mbosora Bese or the government, where you got a hit, but no way got a hit on India. No way got a hit on India. On the number one. I like Puranam Kishu Pia Kilin no Tali. A pianaya, Talija, ito Putrayana class again. Pia is Putali. I'm not killing Naga Ijono. Asina, Omoputa, Omena, Tiparigo last year. Yes. Kilina, Honoria, hot. Kilina, Noria, hot. Ineria, a bona tuto. Tiago, one night, okay,
okay.
Reports.
Okay.
Omoputa, Omena, Tiparigo le Azuria. If you need to do no case in Ulo, or what I'm here. If you go to where you do no case in Ulo, you put them here. What was no one put up? If you are going, and I like what I'm kissing with Pianya or Tali. If you are Tali, if a program woman and no to ta or we ma bali. Ekwehoya Bogia Ekwehoya Bogia Osina Osendere Gusi Na Ikweki Mwamoro Mudirusi Osendere Ikweki Mana Enta Kala Biafra Icho Isaiah Iga Chokwan Happier Makoro na Ochopurimwa Jowisu Mbo ihe Okar Ichuki mana o jege gị ya nwapụta bịa conclude ma chefuo na otu nnọkọ ezinụlọ a our prime minister Wọbata Obie nọ n'ime ya COS nọ n'ime ya Ngozi Orabaeze nọ n'ime ya Nkere nọ n'ime ya ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ nọ n'ime ya mana ihe ọ na-ama mana mgbe ị pịara ya ụtalị ị nwere ewu nke ya program ọ bịara mee egwegwe ya kwa aha gị so alakịrị m ihe mere a sị na onye si na ọ bụrụ ya ọ bụrụkwana ya ọ ga-eme enwere onye ibe na-esi so ihe ọzọ m chọkwara n'ikwu aha again ka m bịakwa onye nta akụkọ ala Biafra.
Okay, this is the so-called Iko Tuoye. Our mommy is here. Happy May. I see you, ma. How are you today? Good morning, your time. Nice to have you. And we also have Chinedu is here and Ndubisi. Of course, I have sent my greeting to Ndubisi and one call Chisom. Maji, I think I have sent my greeting to you, Chigos, as well. So you guys are welcome. Please do me a favor, like the video if you have not. Maybe if you are looking for a way to like the video, because sometimes you may not see it on your screen. There's a three dot at top right hand corner on your phone. Tap it. It will show you, a place where you can. It will display just like an option for you to like the video. Okay. Now, this very guy, equal to you. You are here on my platform for a very long time. Little did I know that you a gossiper, a shameless one, a shameless gossiper. You don't have any idea of what men look like. New a three leg does not mean that you're a man. There are some things that make up a man. You expect me when Socha in France and she was trying to start off looking for a way to start off her quote unquote the reason why she joined Biafra. You expect me to just come out and start it's getting more problem in between Socha and government using my platform. That she called my name out does not mean that I have to act like her. But because you are in her wrapper, because she holding in her wrapper, if I thought she have a wrapper, because I think what she uses, she always wears trousers and short legged, like acting as if she's a young girl. But why Akaja? You are in her own, she hold you. You are in her palm like this. You expect me to come out and start ranting because you want for you to say that I'm afraid of her simply means that you are senseless. Honestly, I don't mean to insult you, but your actions have proven that to be right. You don't have any reason whatsoever to say that I'm afraid of mentioning her. I was trying to. Do you know what I discussed with her? You don't know. Did you know what she told me? Because she's smarter than you. I believe that what she told me, she can't say that she say it to you because she knows your level. She knows that she has conquered you. You are just willing to. You are the one sending every of my broadcasts to her. You think I don't know? I know. Like I said, I have not less than 10 or 15 of your voice notes. But I have never for once played it out here. I am playing this one because of this idea you have that I'm afraid of her. Because you are not the only one that said that in the past. If you're not a peacemaker, I'm a peacemaker. But my peacemaker, if I'm trying to make peace or trying to preach for peace, does not mean that you start looking at me that I'm a coward. I'm not. I'm not. Is it no class? Shows the level that you can raise. Because if you have something upstairs, you should have known that Uduma don't even know what class look like, let alone having her own class. What's she teaching? So you are proud of what she's doing then, meaning that you are worse than her though. Because if you are learning from someone like that, imagine what you represent. I don't mean to insult anybody, like I said, but I have to call it the way it is. I have to call it the way. I have to spell it out the way it is without missing word. You are jumping from here to there, just there to there, trying to be relevant for no reason. At your age, it's not as if you're a baby. Your age, I've seen, like I said, if I'm not seeing your picture, remember your program with Ezumezu. I was what? Because I've not called on my platform, show you your video, never. You always call hiding. But Ezumezu platform, you were there arguing with him. I was proud of the way you challenged Ezumezu based on your own side of argument, thinking that they have something to say. But I'm making a black ikukugo. You don't have what it takes. What you said here is worst of every audio that I've listened to. What? I am on my own. Duman brought my video simply because I said that for her to do what she's doing, what she did in an occasion, that she's literally planning how to start her own fundraising, to start her own agitation, her own group. Did it take 2 weeks? She started talking about posting account number. You should be ashamed because because my own understanding, your own is totally different. It's just like night and day. I was able to call it out and to spell it out here that this woman is planning to start her own fundraising. She wants to start her own fundraising, but she had measured her capacity. She did not see it. She started calling people privately to. Did she raise money at all to send to some people that is in contact with her or not? Yes, she did. Even if you are denying that it did not happen, I called it out here, and that is why to you, because when I released that video, it really hit why it's such very bad because she did not expect anybody to reason in that way. That all this kitty kata kata you are trying to do is about raising fund. You want to form your own group. Many of them have tried, but they forgot to build. They forgot that you have to. To them, they feel that like me now. I have a platform that if you check my followers, okay, maybe I have 5,000 subscribers. Okay, do you know that I'm not very popular? Maybe now I'm not a superstar. I can now call Biafran to start donating more. They will donate because they subscribe to my channel. That is stupidity. There are difference between somebody following you, listening to you, than you controlling or leading them. They are not the same thing. And many of you are making that mistake because you have a platform. You think because of that you are now just like a governor. You can challenge anybody. That is what deceived the woman. She actually believed that she can. After COS don't have any. Maybe she would go to her COS platform and nobody know her. I am here. You hold me. When I'm streaming live, do you know how many people are watching me? That is the low brain. People who cannot reason for once. You think that everybody watching, like here now, people are watching, right? So it would be foolish of me to believe that everybody here are watching me with love because they like me. Some are here watching to see if I will make a mistake, they will run with it and start, to drag me down. Not everybody that follow you is your friend. That is not number one. They'll see you don't see them. When I told Biafrans that why is such a, do I see her? She will soon start her own fundraising. She is trying to form her own group using Nokesunono. And you said that I can't even pronounce Nokesunono. I don't care to pronounce it properly. The message is simple. It's as simple as ABC. Did she form a group called Nokesunono? Yes or no? Yes. Did she try to convince them to stop donating money in government? Yes or no? Yes. And you're a member of the Nokesunono too. You should have more information about what's going on in the location more than me. When why Isesa called me, she told me that she released another audio in that group. Okay, that she released another audio in that group. That she will maybe they will soon send it to me, or maybe they have sent it to me, something like that. I told her no, nobody have sent it to me. That I got it. So many of them are still with me. If I happen to release that audio that time, my platform would have been like boom, because it would have been a center of releasing secret information. Something that two of them are talking about. Those also people now, two of them, if you tell them any information, they will rush to their platform and start using that to catch clues. I'm not like you. I have many audio that if I want to bring it out, it will be like a bump. But the situation is that my own reason is that what will I gain? It will help me. People will say, "Oh, you have more intel. Oh, They will start paying more attention to me. But it's not about paying attention to you, but the damages that you cause releasing those audios and some of the messages. I'm not like you. That I played when I played because it had gotten to my neck, so I have to release it. Initial stage, many audio that people are like last 2 weeks. I happen to receive it as early as possible. This is not bragging. This is just for you to know that I'm not like you. Because if you happen to learn such audio, you yourself will quickly release it. And your own as a man, what you do is you go to platform. What Mr. A said, like you normally call why is you call Biafra. You're insulting Biafra. It's an insult that normally you're supposed to apologize to Biafrans for calling that woman or calling Biafra. You need to apologize. Honestly, I'm serious. Calling her Oriental calling Biafra is an insult to Biafrans. Do you understand? So you should apologize to Biafrans for calling that kind of person as Oriental calling Biafra. It's unheard of. So you calling me saying that I'm afraid of her, I am that she push shame on what one? How? Anyway, let us hear the part two of Eco 2 years audio. Then if you have something to say, we say, listen.
onye nta akụkọ ala Biafra ọzọ dịka ibe ya ịkọwala ihe niile onye niile anụcha na ya onye niile ụwa niile anụcha na mkpu itiri and ụwa nwake wee isiokwu asị m kwuo ama asị mgbe ọbụla emewe program onye bịara ikwu okwu suspension ka ọtọ ya fon na ntị onye bịara ịjụ katapila ka ọtọ ya fon na ntị onye bịara ịjụ mmenụ ground ka ọtọ ya fon na ntị ọ ga-awụ ihe mere na program emezilere ha explain suspension asịkwa suspension asịrị emezirila ha explain voicemail asịkwa voicemail asịrị emezirila ha explain onye chọzi ịgba mmụọ ya ga-ajụọzi Dr. Ngozi Orabaeze ajụjụ ya mara anyị mma.
Do you understand? Some of you may listen to this and said, "Oh, that he's a peaceful man. He don't want people to make problem with his create problem." For him to say, Dr. Orabaeze, Ngozi Orabaeze, be ife na abrag na akọta the men on ground. Ngozi Orabaeze ife na agwa men on ground not to accept any decision that USB made. You don't know what this man had told men on ground. Like I said, I'm not like you. What she told me, one of what that she told men on ground. Have you ever seen me on any of my videos leaking what she told me that she told men on ground? I have not done that, and I'm not gonna do that because there's no need. But you are here telling them, "Oh, God, ask Ngozi Orabaeze. Oh, God, ask Ngozi Orabaeze." Your intention is to kind of to you. Asking Ngozi Orabaeze is insulting her, to drag her down, to validate what your madam told you, that's what it is. Anyway, like I said, I don't want the video to be too long.
And I like from Emeka Ghana, Kushikwaputa, Yokuregi Aka, clear qua air. Mekweka Hamarana, or a young Hanache or Tushwedri. Oh, I need a nano na platform. I need a nano na platform. I'm on your word. There was Yana Noba Ulu. And even though good occasion, they will lay a platform on Bolayo. And that one comes she. One who that day, Makotun occasion. No, ye, it's your color and go to occasion, Omega, no occasion. Maka ịma hụ ihe nọ ka amadị m na ọwụ program a ka ya mere ka ha jipụrụ ya bịa dee mana thank God na anọ m na program ahụ that day declare m ha just like ihe Emeka Ghana mana onye nta akụkọ ala Biafra biko ekwele ka mmadụ bịa jụwa ha na ajụjụ suspension ma ọ katapila ma ọ women on ground ma ọ nka unless kwa bimere na program ya mara anyị ile mma.
What this guy do, what he normally do is that if I'm doing program like this, maybe if I have a program that I center that on flop of why is such, he'll be watching without commenting. Then he will quickly contact the woman to come and watch. Two of them will be watching live. He think that I don't know. Then after, if the woman is not chance, he will share it to the woman to watch later what Kai said. As if I am done. You think I'm like you. I'm not like what I don't want her to hear. I will not come here and say that. If what I don't want her to hear, or like you now that I'm addressing now, If I don't want you to hear it, why would I come online? I said that. And I believe also the woman also know that people do share her own to me as well. The question is, you hold this banner on my channel, you claiming that because each time you come here, Kai, Kai, my brother, you will be greeting everybody, which is good. I'm not against it. People will see you and think that you are normal without knowing your motive and your intention. What will you gain? You said that I'm afraid. That's the height of it all. Afraid of not even any other thing, but why is such? You know what? Anyway, my people, if you are just joining us, I expect you to like the video. We have 100 and something watching. Only 43 people have liked the video. Please get it to 50. In fact, our target is even 100. It depends on how you appreciate what you are doing. Click on like button so that others will get to watch the video. In case you don't know how to like it, but sometimes you may not see the option, just tap on the three dot at the top corner of your right hand, and by so doing, you will see the option that will enable you to like the video. Very, very, very important. Now, we are going, excuse me. Sorry about that. Some people, some not. Let me start again. Thank you, Franca, for calling my attention on that. Just a moment. And I want to use this wonderful opportunity to appreciate. It's honoring. I want to appreciate you, sir. And I want to use this wonderful opportunity to let Biafrans know and make this message that I just played now, sorry that I muted it, is voice. You guys have watched it. All of you have watched that video. The message of Commander Gentle. Before he tried to make the video, he actually said something before, where he told Biafra that he's not receiving anything from government, and his hair was like, everybody was like, what is going on? People were complaining. Then after that complaint, the fallback republic capitalized on that and start preaching and trying to convince everybody that yes, Gentle, you know, you see Gentle, just like other commanders, are not getting anything from COS and all that. The intention is to stop Biafran from donating. Remember, they hijacked many things. Remember, they're the one that slowed everything down, financially and otherwise. The little that Biafran had, especially like projects, like some offices, document, websites, name them, that PM have built before declaration date. They hijacked almost all. Then they split numbers of Biafrans that have been following PM. They talk around to tell you that COS have attacked finance. That Musa said that the best way to stop agitation of people, Biafra movement is to go after their finance. Who started the attack? Who validated that in the Musa said? by a singular act of you people, which is coming out of social media to blackmail and criticize, complain and try to convince Biafrans to turn around from what they actually know, have actually laid the foundation of discord, hatred, backwardness that is going on now. Many of them happen to be people who claim that DOS was wrong. DOS said that you must be stagnant or the matter can come out. That you must follow DOS or the matter can come out. That was some of them were people saying the same thing. Not like why Isasha was 100% DOS member. She just joined after seeing what is going on. But at the initial time, immediately Mass Namulikano was announced that they announced the kidnap of Mass Namulikano. People were waiting, including PM, was waiting to hear press release from DOS. They couldn't release anything. Everybody was like, everybody was just running about, going from north to east without having any direction, no leader, nothing whatsoever. Mazi Kanu couldn't address Biafrans. Chika Dozem could not address Biafrans. Chinasa Woru not at all. Not even Ikeng. I'm just trying to remind you, many of you know what I'm talking about. Nobody was able to tell Biafrans, this is what happened, this is way forward, this is our intention, this is what we want to do. They were all muted, full hand waiting. Like somebody that have just sold his father's land. And I say, now, or make the contact if I did discuss, because all my family the land. Ndi we brain what if I could just now. They were just quiet. PM was the one that used his platform, addressed Biafrans, giving direction. Started at a point, because people have been waiting. He's one releasing some hope and intel, what people actually want to hold on to move forward. They noticed that Biafrans are throwing their weight and their love to PM. I believe Ujofo and some lawyers reached out to Mazamukana and told Mazamukana, look, every night and then every evening, Biafrans rally around on the PM platform to take message of hope. They were waiting to hear. People are still waiting. We were still waiting to hear from US then. They couldn't say anything. They couldn't do anything. PM started giving hope, assuring Biafrans that all is not, that nothing spoiled, that it's just a kind of moment of temptation, that there's hope. People regained their strength from that message of PM those days. Narrow it down to when PM was also arrested. You couldn't hear anything. People were waiting to hear who stepped in to address Biafrans. Your guess is as good as mine. COS, of course. Just to understand what I'm saying. Then, when PM was preaching to Biafrans to remind them, trying to share some basic information that he knew about what happened in Kenya. If intel started flying from here and there, and fingers started pointing at DOS and their members then, but no assurance, no evidence. Then their utterances of DOS and their members started making sense to Biafrans. They begin to start connecting the dots. Okay, this is what happened. This is what happened. What is going on? What are we? Then it's not just that. PM keep on revealing information, bringing it. He did not step outside the line. He was telling Biafrans the reality. Things that even if you're your own quiet time, if you begin to reason that you don't have any reason not to reason in line with PM. Do you understand what I'm saying? I like share my good Okay, like I share my group, friend. Thank you for that. Almost God bless you. And the Musa, somebody Musa is here. Musa, what this your laugh doesn't make any sense. You can tell us why you are laughing. Maybe you can just at least we are not going. I'm after this day go now. So tell us what color is your teeth now. And Frank, I see you. Thank you for your message. So the same thing happened now that PM is not here. DOS started they started talking as if they mean a lot or that they matter after PM have laid the foundation and create a way to move forward. PM did that. PM started by telling their friends what you should expect, what you need to do now. This is a way to you understand. Then what happened? DOS, okay, do you know that? You know, we are the DOS, yeah, and we should not start. You should start releasing press release. They started without PM stepping in. DOS wouldn't have remembered that they are DOS. They started telling you that we are DOS. We have access to the men on ground. They have access to the men on ground. They have access to ESN. They have access to lawyers. They have access to Radio Biafra. That is the preaching there. To make you average Biafran to begin to feel, why will I follow PM when I know that these people are the one, this is the structure that Mazo Makano laid. This is the structure that Mazo Makano laid. The structure is still there. Who is the PM? They started digging deep on PM's identity, his position, trying to validate that he's nobody. They spend most time to talk down on PM to validate to you that PM is nobody. Then ignoring the main message of the people that they claim they are fighting for their freedom. Because normally, if you have something upstairs, you should know that no matter what you do, you cannot ignore the people. If you ignore the people and begin to, water your group, buy a medical flower. This is DOS, you should not let it dry. Keep on pouring in the water. Then you forgot that the main people, that the beneficiary of that your group, or whatever you claim to call it, is to benefit the people. Do you understand? Now we have a group like that after PM's arrest, somebody stepped in and played the role perfectly. The same thing that happened. Some of you that are just you don't know what happened when Mazagan was kidnapped. What I'm saying now may not make too much sense to you. But anybody that followed that time, if you are truthful, you understand that that's what they're playing at now. They started telling you now what is structure that Mazangano left. What is structure that structure of Mazangano? Then the same thing that telling you now, what is structure of PM? What is structure of PM? That PM led the structure. He led the structure. Who is CS? That CS don't have access to men on ground. CS is not in charge of account. CS is not in charge of anything. But the structure is what they want. And when this structure they are talking about too, is them, their position. The same thing that US did. Are you getting the point? The same thing. There's nothing different from that. Biafran Exodus is here. Odogwoke. Ndewo Maazị Kai report. Ndewo Ụmụ Ife Chukwu Okike. Ụmụ Ife Chukwu Okike Abịama. I see you, my brother. Nice to hear from you. Good day to you. And make sure you follow this our brother, Biafran Exodus. Okay? He's doing doing very, very good job. I love the time that he normally broadcasts, because that's the time why he will come out to do the damage control. But let's not leave it there. Now, today, Biafrans are facing the similar scenario. Something that they will start by reminding you that there's a structure. There's one almighty structure that PM laid. That structure cannot. Who is following the structure? Who is in line with the structure? Is it about the structure or about the welfare of the people? That's your structure. It was made for a purpose, to cater and to care for the people. So it's not about structure that he made. The purpose of the structure is to do what? To cater for the welfare of the people. Immediately you begin to pay more attention on your structure and ignore what people want, you have found you are no more for the people. As na okpu na akpụ chimbo ogene, okpu na amadi ogene na newe egba ogene ogade egbe aya n'ọdụdụ. If you want to excel, if you want to, there's some past event that you need to revisit so that you can perfect your work. You can put it in a way it's supposed to be. This idea of structure that you made, structure is good. Then, how many of you remember the time they were preaching that PM is not a member of IPOB? No, how can non-member of IPOB have a voice in IPOB issue? That is not a member. Then Biafra begins to remind them, oh, he would interview PM, and he's one that was organizing fundraising. Okay, yes, they say yes, it's true, but he's just there to call for fundraising. But he was there just doing that. He refused to take oath. That for you to become a Biafran, an IPOB, you must take oath. Where is it? Where did he take oath? They actually know that he took oath, but they're saying it publicly, like why is just and people are doing that, lying, obvious lie. People are lying that everyone can see, just to deceive you, to shift your mind from the main purpose. They are doing it now. They did it before. Another thing is that they will tell you, PM was there, he was just, assisting, not a member. Then you ask them, if people who are member must be those that took oath, those people that are donating money, how many oaths do they take? They did not take any oath, right? They did not take oath. So, are they IPOB or not? Are you trying to tell us that Biafran donating money are oath takers? The answer is no. But you remember that they are not oath member when it has to do with leadership or broadcasting for people to understand. Like some of them say that because of the na amara best go to maka na ni social media keta na na-ekwu maka na anụrị ọgụ. Here. Nobody's fight. I'm not here to fight for CS. CS don't even know who I am. So it will be foolish of me to brag that I'm fighting for CS because she don't know me. Do you understand? She don't know me. And it's not about fighting to anybody. It's about setting the record straight. If actually they have something to offer, they should have known that PM, during the time of PM, judging by their own argument, DOS would have beat PM hands down if you want to follow that action. Some of you claiming now you love structure, isn't it? Now you understand the importance of structure, which DOS have actually on that platform insulted them. That now you know the importance of structure. Isn't about structure is good, but when the structure has been tampered with, is no longer for the purpose of building it initial time. You build a structure to achieve something. When that structure that you build shift from the original plan that you had while building it, the structure is no longer supposed to exist. You should also make something out of it to channel it again, just like cyclist race, bicycle or motorbike race or something like that. You see them when they get to bend corner, they have to bend. They are bending because they want to maintain the road. They want to maintain the lane. But if you claim that to do is just to go straight forward, even if the road is when you get to the point where the road somehow turn, you don't want to turn the same way that road showed you. You want to follow straight. When you know that following straight, you are entering into, you are going to hit something. You are no longer following the lane for the race. Do you understand? Now, why I'm saying all those things because when Commander Gentle made a video that he made a few days ago, I want to pay close attention. One video of Commander Gentle, 3 different groups from Biafra, people from USB, 1, Fallback Republic, 2, and DOS member. Now, I want to pay attention to the reaction of these 3 people. For one voice, Excuse me. Oh my goodness. Just a moment. Sorry about that. So, three people from Biafra movement, three different reactions on one video of Commander Gentle. Before the video, there was a video that our brother Go247 made. I talked about it severally. This is making it maybe three times. I'm saying this because I made a video yesterday where I talked about it and the reaction of people based on the video that he made. And that video is not something strange. He was trying to tell people that you people that are circulating that Commander Gentle, they buy him, and all that nonsense. That is not true. He wants to prove or to explain it better. He mentioned something that they themselves know, but they choose not to say it. Ugo247 said that is Gentle's brother, that nothing happened to Gentle. That Gentle cannot come out now and say anything rubbish again. Understand it? That he will not come out, not that he will not come out, but when he come out, he will not come out to say rubbish. There are two different things. You come out and say something sensible, and you come and it's different from when you come out and say something bad. Two different things. Then fall back in public, capitalize on one thing to suit the narrative, which I'm going to expose here for you to understand it, because some people don't understand the agenda and the plan of these people. Please, if you are just joining us, I expect to like the video and share this broadcast if you can. Very, very important. The video of Ugo247, they started twisting it that he said that gentleman that he go said, because Ugo said in that video that he have the video of the person that they buy. He have seen the picture, not video, that somebody sent him that picture. They said, okay, for you to have the picture means that you are the aware, or you are the one that sent people to buy him. Another lie, which is not true. And guess who are now who have published between Ugo and them now, who released the picture? Because they are now using the picture as caption, meaning they themselves have the picture. And I will leave it there. But they are telling Biafrans, oh, that Ugo have the picture. That when the time comes, Ugo will come out and explain how he got the picture. That's their own reaction towards that video. Let's go straight to the video of Commander Gentle, how these three people that I mentioned now reacted to that. Let me start from the USB group. USB group said, after Gentle made a video, they were telling him, thank you, that thank God that you exposed Opos of them, that this is what Biafra need to know. So going in line with Gentle, what Gentle said, what Gentle said is normal, that Biafra need to understand that Igbo politicians are the one behind what is going on. That Fulanis are doing all those things because what they are doing is very, very terrible. That Gentle has come out to expose them, and that exposed hopes of them. That's the reaction of in fact, because Gentle said you should, once you get the video, share it so that it will get to everybody. People will know what is going on. That is what USB did. USB broadcaster was busy sharing that, and they did not even attack. No, that's not like attack A or B. They just shared it and used that for to broadcast and all that. Nothing more. Then let's go to Republic of Fallback. Republic of Fallback, they picked that video. Gentle says something that has something to do with Suez, Ugo247. But their caption, that's Ugo247. You are a shameless man, part of our people. That Gentle is here. You said that Gentle will not come out. Gentle is here. Gentle is out now. What do you have to say? You think that Gentle will not come out? You see, you do not succeed. You and your Rabba Fulani and all these idiots, nonsense. You guys are there. You guys are this. You guys are that. That's their reaction. Some of them are even went as far as saying that Gentle have exposed and insulted Ugo 247. That Gentle coming out is to prove to Ugo 247. That Gentle watch Ugo 247 video and then to come out to shame Ugo 247. Ugo, you said that he will not come out. Now he's out. But when you watch that video, there's nothing in connection with what you guys are saying. Gentle says something totally different from the reaction that Fallback Republic are saying about it. And they're not even sharing that video much. They don't share it much. Like they normally share. In fact, the way they share the Go 247 video, the way they took their time, cut, and merge together just to drag and go to the mode. That's what they're good at. Now, let's go to the third group, DOS and stagnant agitators, who they have been waiting for 4 years for PM to to come out before they move forward. Now, their own reaction is this. They brought that video and they made series of posts. I'm going to flip the camera to show you their post. One of the things they capitalize on is, okay, you see, Gentle and the Samonekpa armed group, that they have been the one buying everybody in our land. Again, they are now pointing finger, linking it to PM again. These are groups that signed petition for PM to be where he is today. We are coming to that. Their own reaction. Okay, you see, that even Gentle have been having meeting with Hopus Odema, but the same people are not saying that China's Sawono is working for Hopus Odema. Gentle said, Hope called them for a meeting. They turned out every offer that he gave to them. They did not hear that part. They covered their ear. But they want to push one narrative against Gentle, against PM, against different division army. Why? Because what will make glad in the heart is to see the condemnation of different division army, condemnation on Biafrans, condemnation on PM. That is what gives them joy. That's their own agitation. Remember, they are waiting for Mazamekano to come out before doing anything. Remember that one. Don't forget that part. These people have never for once publicly criticized Hopus Odema. Not at all. What they will tell you that the Igbo position should do better. Our governors should try. Our governors. The same people criticizing Gentle for saying what he said, the same people, they are the one bragging that the best way to achieve Biafra is to go underground and use political solution. When you hear political solution, it's not about that they're having a meeting with the federal government or federal government representative. No, it is Southeast leadership, politicians, political leaders. Okay, so meaning that this same meeting that you are presenting Gentle for, you yourself have been having meeting also with politicians. Because if not, where did you get this idea of political solution and this idea of going underground? Remember, these guys were underground though, and nobody forced them out from underground. They have been underground for ages. Now, what's the achievement of the underground? Nothing. Few months ago, Mazamekano's brother was crying out that the meeting that he had with Sheyi Tinubu did not yield good fruit. That Sheyi, you lied to us. Sheyi told us to calm down so that the election will happen. We organize the election, and after the election, nothing has happened. Where is that complaint today? Zero. Excuse me. So sorry about that. Let me flip the camera so you see. Let us start from there because okay, just a moment. Now, watch this. This is the picture they were criticizing Ugo 247, that you have it because you have it because you are insider, you are the people that buy him. This is the picture, right? Now, the person that made it is the chief of them all. You can see him here. And they use this thing just to criticize Ugo 247. He said, Gentle will learn his lesson after we fight his brother. This is how, you understand? Nothing serious, just to attack. The target is Ugo 247. Now, let's move to another thing because I want to share this with us. This is DOS press secretary, according to this platform. They shared Gentle's video, and the caption will shock you. Let us go through the caption. You will see what they said. Confession from Gentle the Yahoo. Remember, Mazi Chinasa Woru and other DS members have been telling you that Simon Ekperima and his boys are working for politicians. You guys call them liars. Now you have heard it directly from Gentle how they have been having meeting with Hope Uzodinma. A lot is still hidden and unspoken. Biafrans and those who cherish freedom, I would prefer not to share this video, but because of the significance of the content, I urge everyone to pay attention to this and hear the confession of these criminals who have blackmailed Chinasa Woru, especially and IPOB ESN in overall about what is happening in Imo State. I have frequently informed the public that these individuals are agent provocateurs, fully intend on undermining the Biafran movement. That is why Hope Uzodinma will never refer to Ekperima in all that is occurring in Imo State. Instead, Hope Uzodinma and his gang will be extorting the names of Chinasa Woru because Chinasa Woru possess a significant barrier to the dismantling of IPOB and Biafra movement. Listen and share widely to educate others. My brothers and sisters, all these things, there's no need to play anything here. You guys have watched the video of Gentle, so it will be a time waste. Gentle have made his stand. He said what he said, and that what he said stand. Like, it's something that many people know. Yeah, we may not know that Hope Uzodinma try to reach out to them and all that. But Gentle, who told us the outcome of the meeting that they had, is not the problem of these people. But they are the ones who told you that they're going on the ground for political solution. With who are the politicians that you went on the ground with? Who? I just told you the one that Massimo Gano's brother said, that Sheyi Tinubu promised them to pipe low for election to happen in the East. Okay? And that election happened. What happened? Sheyi Tinubu and federal government, his father, they ignored that agreement they reached until this day. Nothing happened. The same thing that US did with Eastern governors. So it's not one, it's not two, it's not three. Now let us go to another one because I want to make sure that I have covered all this before we end this broadcast. Excuse me.
And I want to use this wonderful opportunity to appreciate government on ground, to honor my boss, the chief of
world to understand this and to make Biafrans also to understand this. Because we are Igbos and we are Biafrans. We love each other. We love our people. And that's why we bring our life out to sacrifice our life for our people. And that's why we are fighting, agitating for Biafrans. And that's why we are not afraid of anyone or any man on this life. Opposed to them, you are a mafians. And I want to make our people to understand this today. Let everyone hear me clearly. And if you got this information, make sure you share this information. And make sure you like it and share it up. Opposed to them, is an evil man. Yes.
Okay, so let us just quickly rush this to this program because I'm having a lot of distraction. So just a moment, let's go through it. Then we call it a day. Now this is the one I just showed you now is from DOS press secretary, right? And now you have another person, a mega gift. These are people that have been saying all manner of nonsense, trying to drag Biafrans to the mud, especially PM. What their happiness is to see PM be in pain or Biafrans to be in pain. This one said, Gentle Yahoo said he and all the autopilot commanders had a meeting with Governor Hope Uzodinma. Hope told them to assassinate Ikenga Ugochiyere with the promise of oil block. I know, I know. Security in Imo State was government sponsored, according to him. That he know. Then he said again, this is the same guy again. He said, "Have you listened to Gentle Yahoo today's confession? The right hand man. Oh boy, the guy said a lot of things. He said Governor Hope Uzodinma of Imo State contracted them to assassinate Ugochiyere. They were also asked to buy Agu Otuaka of Mbano. Story two. Let me put it more. Okay, story too much. Another person. These are people that was busy doing everything to nail PM down. Signing. I remember the time of convention, and when PM was called for questioning and all that. When you hear people tagging Finland, tagging these are people, these two platforms, all of them, in fact, DOS member, and I'm coming back to Fallback Republic because that's exactly what I did. Having meeting to nail CS. The screenshot that we shared here last time. Who does that? Because I have different opinion for what you have. You start calling people. Come on, Biafrans and those who cherish freedom. I would prefer not to share this video, but because of this, I think this one copied the write-up of their secretary. He copied it, so the same thing, and it's not the same thing. There's nothing different. Instead of Hope Uzodinma, his gang will be escorting that. He copied the write-up of their defense. What secretary do they call them? Is it defense secretary? No. IPO secretary. Look at this one. This right there, DOS press secretary. He copied this write-up and published. That is what Citizen Observer, the one called Citizen Observer did. Look at him here. Now you go down here. This is from USB government. I believe this person is USB government. Let us read for you to see, because I told you different reaction, right? Now see the reaction of this person. I hope this one is one I'm talking about. Commander Gentle, may you live to enjoy the full restoration of Biafra. In Afia, for the difference. Hope Uzodinma and Co. are the problem why the Fulanis come down to Biafran land. Commander Gentle, check the enemies of the United States of Biafra in the fallback. How far? Do you see the difference? Now let us meet Fallback Republic. This one is Fallback Republic. His own reaction. Look at Fallback Republic. One of them. Can somebody tell this is out here that when the time comes, he will reveal the person that sent him the picture of, okay, this is his own reaction when for the Ugo 247 video broadcast. I think this is his own reaction towards that. But at least you get the point, right? You understand how they roll, what they can offer, what they represent. My people, I am surprised that none of you, some of you, not all of you, that join me on this live broadcast have vowed never to like this video. This is 1 hour, 11 minutes, or 12 minutes of the broadcast. Only 75 like the video, you get as a B. And we have 100 and almost 140 watching live. Like the video, very, very important. I'm sorry that I'm going to call this live stream short. The reason because of the distraction I'm here, I'm receiving, today is Saturday, so my house is everybody's around. Although said I wonder, okay. So please don't bear with me, okay? Don't know, but I want you to begin to think. This fallback group, what is different between them and DS? This should be take-home quiz or take-home assignment. Begin to ask yourself, what do you know about DOS? What do you know about Fallback Republic? Fallback Republic are just as DOS. This is just the raw fact. Issue of structural maintenance group. They believe that removing one of their cabal is destabilizing everything. That's their belief. They also believe that Biafrans should not mind about their life, about their welfare. They should be mindful of the structure that they themselves represent. Another thing they have in common, they always ignore Ike Yolaro. Na di Ike isi ọkpọ. Onye ndị Igbo ga-aghọta ife mmiri. Ị hapụ Ike Yolaro gaa na-eke isi ọkpọ. Please, if you have not liked the video, do me a favor, like the video. All right? We have some of you just liked, and I appreciate you for doing so. So we have 84 people that have liked the video. In case you have not liked it, hit the like button. It's not going to deduct any money from your account. So why are you panicking about liking the video? You see, some of them actually said that PM, like DOS, are trying to tell you that they are the one causing problem in Imo State. The man they arrested last time mentioned Chinasa Awolu. Nobody forced him to do that. He said it publicly. DOS unanimously informed Biafrans that they're going underground for a political solution. That there's no way you achieve Biafra without working with the politician. Yet they have the audacity to come out now criticizing somebody that publicly publicly made it sure that made it open that Biafrans, look, I have been in meeting with Hope Uzodinma. This is what Hope Uzodinma said. This is our reply. Can you come out and tell us the meeting you have? Why do you political solution? What is the outcome? What did they tell you? And what was the answer? You can't say that simply because your answer is yes, sir. I will do as you said. Then you got try or what was again or say no. You don't have what it takes now to confess the outcome of your meeting with the politician. But Gentle is here telling you publicly, this is what they told me, this is what we did, this is what we stand on. Biafrans know the truth. They know that is gospel truth. They understand what is playing out. They are aware of the Kuruke movement that is going on, and they understand those that are behind it. Calling for the head of people simply because the person has different opinion for what you have is a taboo, and you must kick against it. Because if you support it now, probably because you want to shout, fall back here, fall back here, we are here. We are fall back finally, and none of us, when we are falling back, we did not break our leg. Our bone, we did not break our bone. Can you relate? Yes, we can relate. Now that you fall back, let us plan again on how to raise money. What pushed you forward in the first place that made that you are not designed to fall back? Because for you to fall back is simply means that you move forward and you realize that moving forward is dead. Now falling back is life. If not, if you are admit that you made a mistake, because for you to tell me to fall back, I want you to admit that you made a mistake by going forward. If you do that, I will fall back. Can you come out and say, look, we made a mistake by going forward? Then I'll ask you, going forward, yes, where is the forward? Then you tell me by declaring Biafra. Okay, so literally what you are saying is that declaring Biafra was a mistake. Say it. Be proud. Be man enough. Say it. Then people will now say, okay. People that can reason will now say, okay, truly we need to fall back. But because they know that the reason why they are telling you to fall back is not the actual reason. The reason is because my office had been tampered. I asked this question immediately when they started all this shenanigans. I asked a question. Assuming that the USB government and USB, cabinet, when they were trying to, that team that restructured the cabinet member of USB, imagine if they put Ogenkere, defense secretary, Sana Barawa, financial minister, Ajere, maybe deputy financial minister, or anything else, or information minister, yeah. Let me take it again. Ogenkere, defense minister. Sana Barawa, financial minister. Excuse me. I am having a serious flu, so just bear with me. I cannot wait until all this. That's why I'm going back and forward on this live broadcast. But I have to do that. I have to come live now to do it. Please like the video in case you have not. Like the video, like the video. Imagine if they put Ogenkere, defense minister, Sona Barawa, financial minister, Chamaka Ajere, information minister. Do you and success as maybe deputy defense secretary? Okay? Or defense minister, anything at all. Just maintain this name that I just mentioned. Do you actually believe from heart of your heart that they will tell you to fall back now? If you answer this question, then if you answer it well, then you know that your brain is with you. The people brain boss. All this nonsense, fall back now, that PM said that once you declare Biafra, then you now come back home to Briggy. That Briggy will give birth to, that Brig will give birth to USB. Who give birth to Brig? That Brig you are talking about, who give birth to Brig? If I thought that someone must give birth to something, you declare Biafra. Don't you have dictionary to set the meaning of declaration? You declared Biafra. You should have waited until Brig give birth to USB then. Why did you come out to declare it then? They want to use your brain as if, can you just imagine that? If you want Biafra, if you say that declaring Biafra is nothing, that after declaring it, you have to wait and fight for it. Okay, since the fighting for it is the way to go, why did you declare it? Some of them, for generate the document that they're able to fight. Okay, now you generate the document, right? What have you done with the document? So who told you that you cannot stand on that thing that you declared and fight for what you declared for? What you are doing is just like you have your own compound, you have your own land in your village, and you decide to build house on that. Then you bought material, everything to build it. You declare that this is my land, this is where I want to live. You started building. Then after building it, you going back to your neighbor's house to sleep. When they ask you say no, because you are waiting for people to understand that this your compound. You want people to start believing that this compound belongs to you before you can now before you move in to sleep there. You build it though. You decide to come out and declare, this is my land though. This is my this here by no more. This is where I want to live. You started building. You built. After building that, then you decide to move to your neighbor's maybe another compound to sleep. And when you are being asked, why are you moving to another? Why are you not maintain your compound there? So that people will not, when people know that you are coming out from this compound and you're going out from this compound, you are coming out, you are going to the compound, you are coming out from the compound, they see that you are moving in and going out from that compound, then people begin to appreciate, oh, this is his compound, this is where he lives. That's your land. That's your house. They say, no, 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 no. Let me keep on sleeping in my neighbor's house. So that until people, neighborhoods need to appreciate that this compound belongs to me before I start moving, before I sleep there. It doesn't make any sense to you. If you cannot appreciate your name, nobody will do that for you. People will start calling you. There's a reason why they said if you go to some maybe organization, maybe occasion like that, they will give you mic to introduce yourself. You have to introduce yourself. You cannot come out and you call people's attention. People will say, okay, let us hear what you want to say. You say, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Okeko Kafo. You know, I am from so place. My age is this. My age is that. This is my profession. You drop mic. Then you go back and they gave you maybe a document to write your name. Well, maybe attendance list. You now put Okeke. You don't put Okafor because Okeke happen to be your father's name. They will ask you, okay, why don't you put your name? He said, I just put it so that let me wait until you acknowledge that my name is Okeke Okafor. Then I will start answering that Okeke Okafor. To tell you, a lot of meaning deep behind this fallback that this guy shouting from. Anyway, my people, like I said, we have come to an end of the live broadcast because of the distraction that I'm having, and you know, I have you. I need to just pass this message for you to understand. I'm not here to convince you. You have to advise yourself. The choice is yours. You are not doing this for anybody. Not at all. Not even CS, not even PM, not even Master. It is about, and one thing is that the condition of Nigeria and our land is special. You know, our land now is in the hands of Ifechiwote. Because you may wake up tomorrow, your Fulani will come to your compound and mark, design, draw their terrain in your own house, meaning that you may be sleeping and your head, they will separate your head from your shoulder, from your neck. Do you understand? So, like I normally say, the condition of our people in 1960s, especially 67 to 70, is no longer the same. Then you can avoid it like an animal. You got to with Fulani then. You can avoid it by pretending that you just want to be Igbo and your land is with you. You can go and farm, go anywhere you want to and come back peacefully. You may do that then. Now, can you do that? That's why it's no. If you are claiming, oh, our land is in danger, Igbo land is not peaceful because of opposition, because of the IPOB. You decide to relocate to Lagos. Lagos also is in danger. You want to go to the north, of course, that is the center of the danger. Okay, you want to go south, you know, Igbo people, and I don't like to live with the people. They are too much, they're too lousy. Let me live with the south people, or let me live with the non-Igbo tribe. They are accommodative and they are nice. You go there, your life is also in danger there. So what does that mean? Everywhere, that thing that you are running for, like Master Kanu said in years ago, is here knocking at your door. You cannot avoid it. In as much as you pretend that you are the most peaceful maker, the only thing that will make you peaceful is that bring your neck and your head for them to chop it off, and you become a peaceful man inside the 6 feet. That is what you want. Anyway, my people, God bless you all, and make sure you like the video. We did not achieve our goal. Our goal was to have 100 likes on this live broadcast. We managed to have 96. 4 to go to have it, but unfortunately, we did not make it. But I appreciate all of you that managed to like the video. Please share it, and God bless you all. If I did not mention your name, please bear with me, as you know, we have a lot of comment here. and I have to appreciate this. Our brother Olu State. He started with me. He's the first person that made a comment, and I can still see him commenting now. So you are a wonderful guy, my brother. I appreciate you. And Glory is here. He said, Kai, thank you for this program, but you have to repeat it again so that we can contribute. Okay, we are now have 101. Thank you guys for giving us our target. Thank you for that. I appreciate you. Okay, you want me to repeat it again because you want to contribute. I understand. But maybe you may touch it again. Understand the reason. You see, I don't want the video to be too long so that people may watch it, because these three group, USB, Fallback Republic, and US, always pay attention to the activities to understand who actually are the genuine. People don't often talk about DOS these days. Do you know what? I don't know about you. Some of them that blocked me, they have actually released me on X. Why? Because they now felt that the land is not freed. Now I'm now receiving notification of DOS. China Sawori is not posting. Everybody is not posting. Everybody, you understand? The only person that didn't block me happened to be a mega gift. All of them. And when you listen to someone like why you're saying that you will fought DOS, I'm telling you, China Sawori blocked me. So do you think he blocked me because I was partying and dancing with him? I don't need to go from that. But the only thing you need to understand, like I said, your brain will tell you what to do. Allow yourself to see, to analyze things on your own, to understand it very, very well. I am listening, but busy. Greetings. That's Blessing Chiku. Okay. Nice to have you, my sister. Everything we said here is not to drag anybody down. It's not to blackmail anybody, but to set the record straight. God bless you and see you again. Bye-bye for now.